guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fayy Lenee back with another video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not new, then you already know what it is. So thank you as always for coming back for another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this month's GLOSSYBOX subscription. I did my first unboxing for the month of December a couple of weeks ago, and you guys seem to really enjoy that unboxing. So I'm back with another one for you guys for today's video. This one is going to be for the month of January. I don't remember if I said that already. If not, this one is going to be for the month of January. If you're not familiar with GLOSSYBOX, I will have a link down below in the description for you to check it out, get a little bit more information, as well as sign up if you're interested. But it is a monthly subscription box that you pay $21 a month for, and every single month you get 5 full-size products shipped directly to your door to try out, to test out. And if you are someone that is just getting into beauty, or if you are trying to save a couple coins, this is a great option because it's super affordable and you get 5 full-size products every single month that are well worth the $21 that you spend on the box. So before we get into the unboxing, if you are new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so when you open up the box, this is what it looks like for this month's box. And I'm just going to go ahead and take it out of here and we can get right into what all is on the inside. First and foremost, I absolutely love the packaging of these boxes. I think these boxes are super luxurious, and I just like that they come this way because these are the types of boxes that I would display in my beauty room or just use to store other things because it's such a nice box. So definitely want to mention that. But when you open it up on the inside, this is what it looks like, and let's go ahead and get into it. So the very first thing that I see on the top is a free gift. It says, enjoy premium beauty, receive a free beauty bag worth $145 with your first order to Skin Store. So if you're interested in that, I'm sure there's probably a product from them in this box, but you can use the code SSBB to get that little perk. And then also, just like last month's box, you get a little pamphlet that shows you all of the products that are inside of the box, the prices, and a little description about how to use them. So let's go ahead and see what all is in here. Okay, so the very first product that I see on the top is this product right here. This is a Slice Mask Sheet, and it says that it is a lemon sheet mask. So let's see. This is by Coco Star, and this is a lemon slice mask. It's full size and retails for $5, and it says that it is infused with nutrients and scent of its namesake fruit, which this one is lemon. It also says it's more convenient and effective than using raw fruits and vegetables. Slices use eucalyptus trees power to deliver intense yet gentle nourishment to your face and body. So I'm guessing this is supposed to be like an all-natural sheet mask. So I'm actually really excited to try this out. This one says it's supposed to be good for clarifying the skin tone and resulting in more radiant skin, which is exactly what I need in my life. So very excited to try that out. The next product that I have in here is the Zia, I don't know, I think that's how you say it, facial wipes. These are basically makeup wipes, which honestly, I can never have too many makeup wipes. I run through makeup wipes like crazy. So I'm always down for receiving makeup wipes. These are gentle cleansing with vitamin E and moisturizers for a more radiant complexion. This little set retails for $12, and it does say that it is a 90 count. And on here, it also says that it gives your skin a powerful dose of antioxidants and vitamins, leaving you feeling radiant. So far, I'm kind of feeling like this is a skincare box, which I'm not mad at. I mean, the first 2 products already are skincare products, and I've been getting a lot more into really taking care of my skin. So very excited about both of those so far. Next up, it looks like we have another skincare product. This is by the brand Daily Concepts, and this is a travel size makeup remover exfoliating face scrubber. So that is what that looks like. This retails for $5. It's the mini version, of course. And it says on here that this is designed with pockets to slip your fingers in and choose your texture for better control. The innovative textures with micro scrubber technology are just right for a daily soft wash or for an exfoliant wash, perfect for your face. Okay, I'm about to open this one because this actually sounds like something I'm about to use tonight. I'm not sure. Hopefully this is something that you can use multiple times and not just one time. But I kind of want to see. I was intrigued when it said that you could slip your fingers into it and pick like a certain side for how you want to exfoliate, if I can figure out how to open it. Okay, so I finally opened it. This is what it actually looks like. It has a little hook situation that you can like hang it in your shower or hang it in your bathroom. And I think this is what it was referring to as far as being able to slip your fingers inside. And it has a really nice exfoliating side to it. So I'm actually kind of excited about trying this out. I don't want to put it on my face because I don't want to get makeup all over it, but I feel like this is going to be, like, this is perfect for those lazy days when you want to exfoliate, but you don't want to go full on Clarisonic. This is perfect. Okay, so there's just 2 more products in the box, and the first one that I see here is by the brand Avant. This is a deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying face and eye night cream. So this retails for $120. I'm sorry, what? This little tiny bottle. Am I reading that right? Okay, it definitely says on here that this retails for $120. I'm sorry. What? That would explain why all of the other products that I've taken out so far have been like $5, $12, $5. Because I was low-key like, okay, these are not really that expensive. Well, obviously, because this little product is $120. That is ridiculous. This thing better pay my bills, pay off my student loans, get me out of debt, all of the above. And make me beautiful, make my skin flawless for $120. So let's see what it says on here that it's supposed to do. So this says it's supposed to be an anti-aging moisturizer. This better keep me young for like 200 years. It also says that it's supposed to deeply nourish and improve dullness for a younger looking complexion. It's supposed to have a powerful combination of hyaluronic acid, Maris Aqua, and vitamin B3, a bunch of fancy terms to try to justify this being $120, but it's supposed to rejuvenate the skin to prevent and reverse signs of aging like crow's feet, wrinkles, dark under eye circles, complexion that will glow with a radiance from within. Girl, listen, $120, this better do all of the above and then some. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to try this out. It says it has shea butter, hyaluronic acid, vitamin B3, seawater, and sweet almond. We gonna see, okay? We gonna see. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and put this in my bathroom because I need to understand. Like, I just need to understand. So, and then last but not least, we have a little palette from Sleek Makeup. This is a highlighting palette. I have actually never tried any products from Sleek Makeup, and I've always wanted to try products from them. I always hear really great things about their products. So this retails for $14.99, and it is a versatile highlighter palette with 2 baked powders, a cream formula, and 1 silky shimmer powder. It says it has 5 shades to match every skin tone and intended for use either on the body or face, with 4 highly metallic finishes to enhance your complexion with a radiant glow. So it seems like the overall kind of theme of this box, and I bet you it probably says on here what the theme is supposed to be. I just didn't even bother to look at it. Okay, so it does. So it says on here, 2019 is the perfect year to finally say goodbye to self-doubt and start seeing the beautiful woman staring back at you in the mirror. Oh, sweet. It says confidence is contagious, and one of the best ways to feel great about who you are, so true, is allowing your radiance to shine. Also true. So basically this box is supposed to be all about anti-aging and moisturizing the skin, nourishing the skin, minimizing pores, improving fine lines, all of that good stuff, which I'm here for, okay? I'm here for it. So this is what the palette looks like. The packaging, first of all, slays. I'm a sucker for mirrored packaging like this. I just think it looks so sleek. Get it? But also luxurious. And when you open it up on the inside, this is what it looks like. Now, I will go ahead and say this palette is definitely giving me low-key unicorn vibes. I'm not really sure how much use I would get out of this. It looks like there are 3 cream cream colors and then 2 highlight colors, powder highlight colors. This one looks really beautiful, but I'm just not sure how much use I would get out of something like this. It also comes with a really nice quality mirror. Like, this is a really nice little compact, super luxurious, and for it to only be, what did I say, $14, the packaging on this is actually really, really nice. All right, guys, so that is everything that was in this month's GLOSSYBOX box. I am very, very excited to try out all of these products. I think I may actually like this box better than last month's box. Last month was my first time trying the box, and this box I feel like is definitely a step better, a step forward in the right direction, just because pretty much every single thing in this box I like, with the exception of the Sleek palette. I just think the shades are not shades that I would use. I think they're beautiful, just not shades that I would use personally. So I'll probably hold on to this and maybe give it away to one of you guys in a future giveaway. But everything else I'm so excited to use. Like this sheet mask, I'm probably going to put it on my face tonight. I'm probably going to use this tonight, and I need to understand why this is $120. So I got some work to do. But that is going to bring us to the end of this month's GLOSSYBOX unboxing. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. A lot of you guys mentioned in last month's video in the comments that you guys are also subscribed to GLOSSYBOX. So let me know down below what you guys got in your box, if you like it, if you hate it. I would love to know your thoughts. And again, like I mentioned, I will have a link at the very top of my description down below for you guys to sign up for GLOSSYBOX, or just to find out a little bit more information about it if you're interested. And yeah, that is all that I have for you guys for today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you very soon in my next one.